How to remove your phone number from TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from the Solution Guide, and in this guide video I'll show you the way as to how you can remove your phone number from the TikTok application. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. Now, first of all, just make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the TikTok app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your respective app stores, in a search box typing in TikTok, and go ahead and simply either download or update the application. Once you've updated the TikTok app, I want you to go over and then simply open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account, and after you are logged in, you can see this is how it is going to look like. Now what you have to do is to just tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on the three lines which you see on the top right hand side of the screen, and go to the option called Settings and Privacy. As you go to Settings and Privacy, at the very top you have to go to the option called Account. Once you go to Account, you can go to the option called Account Information at the very top again, and once you go to Account Information, you can see that I have currently added one phone number to my TikTok account. So if I want to remove this or unlink this phone number, it's very simple. I'll just tap on it over here and it will ask me to verify. You can either change this number or you can either also unlink it. To unlink it, just tap on the unlink phone button which you see, and you can see over here, if you unlink this into your account, you can no longer log in with this number, reset your password with this number, allow contacts to find you with this number, and just a bunch of other things. But if you are sure, then just tap on the continue to unlink button at the bottom of the screen. Now it will send a code to this particular device. You just have to go ahead and then enter that code over here. So as you can see, in my case, I have successfully already received the code. If it doesn't actually help you, then just go ahead and copy the code over here, and I'll actually just paste it manually in this box. Once I paste a particular code, you can see that we have successfully verified and the phone number has also been successfully unlinked. And this is simply how you can go ahead and remove your phone number on TikTok. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, then make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.